All right, now preparations for the upcoming Republic Day are in full swing in the national capital. Defence contingents have been rehearsing for the parade every single day, braving the dense fog and also the cold in the national capital. Now, Vion Siddhant Sibal spoke exclusively to Lieutenant Bhavana Kasturi. Kasturi will in fact be leading a male army contingent for the first time in the history of the Indian Army. Listen in.
With me is Bhavna. She will be leading the contingent, and this time the focus is women power, maximum participation of women at the Rajpath, the Republic Day parade. Ma'am, welcome to Vion. My first question, an obvious question, how do you feel?
I think it's a matter of great pride and honor to me, and I think it's a glory for us, and this will remain in the history of Army Service Corps. 2019, our contingent had been a part of Rajpath. So not just me, two of my JCOs and 144 Jawans in the contingent are very privileged, and this is in history for us and will be in the books of Army Service Corps forever.
Ma'am, you're serving in the military. How do you feel as a woman serving in the military and of course in the service of the nation?
I think there's no gender bias in the organization because an officer will remain an officer and the responsibility and the charter of duties will remain same. And I think it's a great, we are getting a great opportunity to portray the strength of the army on such a big platform. I think there are no words.
Ma'am, just question about rest of the India. I mean, how do you think of the position of women? Do you think the glass ceiling has broken at several places? The cracks, of course, have come.
Absolutely, there are a lot of changes which are coming up in the Indian society, and not just in the field of army, but even in the civil world. I think girls and women are doing wonders, I must say, and I think we'll keep doing great.
Ma'am, your words, because there will be so many girls and ladies who will be inspired by you when you will be marching on Rajpath.
Absolutely, I think I am a role model for a lot of girls, young girls especially. I think the only thing I want to say to all of them is chase your dream and don't give up in the middle.